Go. Whoa.
Oh,
Whoa.
okay.
Whoa.
It was water. And on the rocks there's dark lava. Dark as blood, Melly. On the rocks, like dark as blood, right?
Ooh.
Yo, and it exploded
It exploded, and why it exploded?
because the vinegar.
So what type of chemical reaction that happened right now?
I don't know.
Wow, so we need to learn from it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Oh, but see, the chemical reaction is between acetic acid, the vinegar, or the citric acid, lemon or lime, and the sodium and the is either sugar powder and the reaction carbon dioxide gas is created, which builds up pressure in the lava chamber until it bubbles out the top of a volcano. This is a good representation of what happens like real volcanoes when they erupt.